Hi everyone, Namaskaram. My name is Rahul and I'm the founder of Auspacious Homes. This is a dream which I have created. At Auspicious Homes, we are creating interiors and renovation projects for residential, retail, commercial projects. I have come out from a corporate world which was very comfortable. I would say it was going the right path in any career progression I could say of. I chose to create auspicious homes to have a lasting impact. From 20 years down the line, when I see myself, I should be proud of myself. And to make that happen, this auspicious homes is the product for it. At auspicious homes, I'm trying to build beautiful dream homes to come true for so many people like you. I myself is involved in every decision and every process which I am creating to make this a large scale organization. At Auspicious Homes, our idea is very simple. We start with understanding the base concept of every individual. How you live, what is the lifestyle, how many people are at your home, what is the first thing which you do when you come to home. You drop your keys, take out your wallet, take out your bags. There are so many different things which an individual does. We try to understand how you function at your home. Based on your functionality, we create the interiors, which meets the utility of individuals. And then comes the part where we design a home which is aesthetically appealing, functionally proven, and strong and stable for next coming generations. At Auspicious Homes, the design phase is very smooth. We have our own designing team who is capable of designing a complete 2 BHK, 3 BHK up to villa duplexes, and we are doing and increasing that team as well. In doing so, we understand individuals' requirement, make the changes, give options for every items or in every phases, such that you are equally involved during the design phase, and when you see the final output you knew like these were the basic requirements which I was looking, and we have proven ourselves in providing them, plus making sure that you are at least 2 to 3 years ahead of time in terms of designs. We try to bring the monotony into such a way that your designs are new and it is not copied. You look into Pinterest and you say, I have seen this. No, this is going to be a very new and authentic design which we will give. And then comes the execution part. We provide both factory and the on-site job. It depends what kind of an budget, what kind of an output individual is looking at. Accordingly, we can have an hybrid option where you can have a shutter from a factory and the carcass prepared at site to meet the budget and the looks of it. So at Auspicious Homes, I welcome you all. I would request you to follow this page for beautiful interior projects, new tips, and then a lot of new content is going to come down this way. Please follow this page, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.